Hello guys, this is 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐡 and in this video I'll show you how you can get Flippa 1 month free subscription without doing anything extra. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. So just I had recorded a video about how you can get Shopify for 3 months in just $1. Here you can see this is the final payment page. Let me refresh this page to show you this is not an inspect element or anything. Here you can see today free and today date 5 December, same as March 5, discount $89 and amount due $1 only. And so if you are interested to use Shopify or anything or Shopify to explore this, so please watch this video and follow all the steps to get the 3-month subscription in just $1. So let's start this tutorial to get Flippa 1 month in just free. Here you can see this is the magic link. I will give this link in this video description, so don't worry, you don't need to type anything or anything. Just go to this link. Let me show you first normal pricing for Flippa. Here you can see Flippa and entry 29, boosted 49, premium 199. If you sign up with this link, then claim your 30 days free first access. Click on this. Then you need to create an account. Click on this register button. Then simply type your email address. Also choose a strong password, then click on this continue button. After that, I'm looking to buy or I am looking to sell. You can select whatever you want. Simply fill your information. This is optional. Let me type here my phone number, that is random. How did you hear from a blog? Click on continue button. Then it will receive an email address. Here you can see from support email Flippa. We need to paste here. Here you can see your account has been activated and a premium monthly subscription, that is original price is $49, but for me it only zero cost. So you need to simply type here your name and card detail. Simply click on buy now. You will get 1 month free subscription of Flippa. So if you are still watching this video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. Thank you for watching video.